So what can you tell us about what product we can expect to see at the booth next month?
Yeah, so GF is, we're really excited to be launching our PEX water risers at AHR 2026 in Las Vegas. These are going to be a prefabricated solution for contractors. They can use these in both potable water plumbing systems as well as chilled water and heating water systems. They're all custom made. So you work directly through GF to design and produce these, and then they're shipped directly to our contractor partners.
Good, good. So now, is there a particular problem? I mean, these just didn't come out of nowhere. What type of product or dilemma did you guys have in mind when you developed this product?
Yeah, so offsite construction and prefabrication is not necessarily a new thing, but we're seeing it kind of be used quite a bit more in the MEP trades because of labor concerns, continued kind of drops in productivity. So these really help kind of reduce the field labor side of things, and then also provide some more peace of mind with GF actually making a lot of the connections and then having warranted product and connections.
Good, good. So now, with the contractors installing the riser and the engineers attending that are specifying are going to specify, what about the product might be meaningfully different to these two groups of people?
Yeah, so from an engineering standpoint, you're still getting obviously the features and benefits of the Uponor Aquapex or the Wurzbo Heatpex piping and our ProPex fittings. But now what you're getting is a connection that's done in an Uponor facility. And so that's going to be, from a quality control standpoint, a lot better than a field connection potentially. And then we're also able to control a lot more of the front end processes before the product even gets to the job site.
Very good. Now, around here in our office, we always think about the wholesaler, the contractor, and the engineer. But at the end of the day, there's always going to be some, project manager, building developer, real estate developer, you name it, some end user that's going to be using this product and system. What does it mean to them to have this installed?
Yeah, when I think about it and I think about the customers that we've worked with, ultimately, it's one less thing for them to worry about. Trying to take some of the things off of their plate, work with a lot of foremen and a lot of PMs that obviously are managing multiple projects. And from a procurement standpoint and from managing their field guys and field orders and all that kind of stuff, this takes a lot off their plate, allows product just to show up, and then all they have to do is install it.
Yeah. So I assume you've got a pretty good sized booth. What else can we expect to see when we stop by?
Yeah, so this is going to be the first year with kind of a combined booth for Uponor and GF. So you're going to kind of continue to see a meshing of the two businesses and the product offerings. We launched our ChlorFit CPVC Schedule 80 offering last year. And then this year, we're going to be showcasing some additional ways to be able to adapt between that CPVC system and then our PEX A system. So we're really excited about continuing to grow that total polymer solution messaging.
Good. So the year 2026 is quite in front of us. What else can we expect to see from GF in the year ahead?
Just we got a lot of stuff we're working on in the background. We're going to continue to be out working with our customers, right? Getting that voice of customer and continuing to bring innovation to the market with GF products and services.
Good. Well, thank you very much, Daniel. Thanks for joining us. Again, the GF booth is C7925. So stop by and see them in Vegas at the AHR Expo, February 2nd to the 4th. We'll see you there ourselves, Daniel, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks again. Bye-bye.